So today is our SciMED Showcase. It's about bringing young people together to see all the amazing STEM career opportunities within the medical profession.
So SciMED is an event for upper primary and lower secondary school pupils and students. We have a specific focus on medicine and healthcare generally. So that's everything from pharmaceuticals through to veterinary care.
The earlier on we introduce them to STEM careers, the better.
We're allowing children to make sure that they understand the technology, they understand the science, and that they get excited for any single subject.
Kids have absolutely loved it. It's been great. It's so hands-on, certainly got no time to be bored. It's definitely something that we recommend to other schools.
Earlier we saw the Iceman, who was showing us different features about how you could change things from hot to cold.
The science really intrigues me into the subject, and engineering is just really fun because you can make stuff all the time.
Events like today are really about showcasing how accessible different routes into STEM careers can be. There's just limitless career choices when it comes to STEM.
Millennium Point Trust's vision is to highlight the real creativity and exciting world of STEM to young people so that they can go on to have absolutely fantastic careers